Hello friends, welcome to Letstute. Most teachers care about their students and they really want to get connected personally with them. But students have fear of their teachers, because of which the personal bond between them is not established. But if you really want to stand out as an individual out of those 300 students in your class without seeming like you're buttering them up, then this video is for you. Because today in this video we are going to give you 5 tips that will help you in impressing your teacher. So let's start. Tip number 1. Show up early. Whether it's an online class or offline, just show up early, because showing up late will really annoy your professor. Also, being early to the class or online lecture will give you the opportunity to greet your teacher. For added advantage, you can also discuss about the problems you are facing while studying. Tip number 2. Make an eye contact. Be really sensitive and appreciate the efforts your teacher is putting in preparing for the lecture. While your teacher is explaining, pay attention and make an eye contact instead of murmuring or putting your heads down. Tip number 3. Ask follow-up questions. Speak up, because the professors really enjoy it when you pay attention during the class. Also, asking follow-up questions while the teacher is explaining means you have been listening and you have a valid question to ask. Also, don't try to fake it by asking useless questions or outside the topic questions. Tip number 4. Greet them outside the class. When you see your professor in the corridor or walking across the school campus, just go towards him and greet him. You don't need to have a lengthy conversation, just have a formal talk. Tip number 5. Thank your teacher. Teachers put in a lot of efforts in preparation, because of which they deserve appreciation. Also, who doesn't like to be appreciated? So, thank your teacher every now and then. But don't do it unnecessarily. Only do it when you mean it. So these were the tips that will help you to impress your teacher. Hope you like this information. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.